Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to be drawing a Campbell soup can, and the style is from Andy Warhol. So I'm going to give myself 2 dots that are kind of close to the edge of the paper, about 2 finger spaces away. And when I connect these dots, it's going to be with a little curve. If you miss your dot, that's alright, like I missed mine right there. And then on the top part, we're going to do a little curve the other way. So this is going to be the very top of my soup can. From there, I'm going to pull 2 lines way down on each side. These lines come straight down, and then the bottom of our can is also a curve. Great work. Now, we are going to go ahead and double this line at the top, the curved line, and at the bottom. That's going to show where our can is. This is the label for the can that's going to say Campbell Soup. So right in the middle, you're going to do a circle, and then drawing 2 curved lines, 1 on each side, all the way to the edge. Down here at the bottom, you're going to write tomato soup. Remember, you can always pause this video, start it, and stop it how you need. Okay? So, the coloring part on our can is going to be yellow in the middle. We are going to make the can itself a gray color, which will be the top and the side, the little tiny little edge pieces here. So the top and the bottom edge pieces will be gray, and then the top part of the label is going to be red. From there, you will get to design the rest of your artwork today. You get to pick what kind of a background you are giving to your Campbell soup can, which is inspired by Andy Warhol, who is an American artist. I think that you are going to enjoy this project. Again, if I'm moving too fast, please just pause the video and work at your own pace to make sure your work is awesome and beautiful. The top part is going to end up being red. Alright, so you're designing the background, you are doing your very best coloring, and I cannot wait to see how these turn out.